Guys, what is up? I've got a manual boost controller on it now. Not bad, not bad. 1 second. So guys, along in this video, I now have bedliner flooring, front and back. The boost gauge popped off again. Got it fixed. We're gonna go out and test it again. Third gear pull. Well guys, it seems to be holding the fix on the boost gauge. As you've seen, it'll boost spike to around 10, 11. A lot better. Things getting closer and closer to what I want it to be. And yes, I've been daily driving this over the Mr. Mom van lately, because I'm trying to get this done for the poker run, 1st and 2nd of August. You'll find me there with the Mr. Mom van.